So hi guys, I'm doing a quick video regarding the gearbox. The gear is not working. As you can see, just going forward and backwards. I'm trying to go first or second gear, nothing. It's very floppy or very loose or whatever you call it. So the best thing to do is to open. Okay, let's open the hood and go check the gear cables, because sometimes they're coming out, and when they're out of, they don't do their job. So as you can see, as much as you can see, so one of them goes on the left there, which is in, and the one that came off, my one, let me just try to put it back inside so I can demonstrate you. It's underneath, just need to go pop. Yeah, but my one, what I find out, I don't know if you can see much, inside the plastic is cracked, that's why it keep coming off. So I got a new one. I'm going to replace it in this rainy weather. So basically the problem with my one, with the black cable, is inside is plastic. I don't know if you can see much, and that plastic inside cracked, so it's very loose and it's keep coming off, and that's the reason for my gear to not work. Or another problem what could be, if it's not next to the engine, if you can see those blue plastics, usually they're coming off. So what we need is just press them down, click them in, and the problem is sorted. Or another the problem could be the cables, they coming off the clipper. So if they come off, all you need is just push them down, and that should solve the problem. As you can see, it's still just going like very loose. But what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna replace the cable, and I'll show you everything back to normal, hopefully, finger crossed. So yeah, it took me about 35 to 40 minutes to replace everything. As you can see now, first, second, it's working perfectly now. So hopefully guys, it helps someone out there. So yeah, and just a quick advice, the cables, the gear cables, I got them off eBay for £60. Otherwise I checked with the dealer, at the dealership there was about £140. So I went for £60 one, and as long as they're good, they're good. Simple as that. So thumbs up guys, see you next time.